sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
That's what she said.
A little water break. It's hot out here in Kentucky. We're steadily hitting 90 out here. Zach's having to cool down, aka modified world.
Yes.
We're about to hop in the pool after this. He's got his swimming shirt on. Back to the car.
So after 3 hours of cleaning Thelma the thumper, she's finally clean. Here she is. So take a look at her. She's all cleaned up for a date she doesn't have. She's a lot cleaner thanks to my filmer behind the camera. He'll be somewhere like right here is at. Go follow him. He does great videos. First video he's ever done, car related. Hope you guys enjoy almost seeing me have a heat stroke. Until next time, peace out.